Hey, hello, what's up? Welcome to the video. Here is Teja, and in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you how to create a new drive or a new partition in Windows 10. I'm specifically mentioning Windows 10 here because I'm going to use Windows 10 in this video, but it's all the same with Windows 7 or Windows 8 or Windows 8.1 or Windows 10. In all these three Microsoft powered operating systems, you just go to access the disk manager, where you will be able to create a new drive or partition on your hard disk. So it's basically the same with all the Microsoft operating systems. And sorry for the bad video quality in this video. I'm actually using the webcam inbuilt in my new laptop, which is not a very advanced webcam, so I apologize for that. Anyway, let's get started. So first off, you got to open your file explorer over here, and then go to this PC, and here you just got to right click on this PC, and once you right click, you just got to select manage from the drop down menu, and once you click on the manage, you will see the computer management window appears on your screen just like this. And over here you will find an option under storage which says disk management. You just got to double click on that option, and once you double click on that option, you will see your current hard disk or any other floppy disks if attached to your laptop. So here the disk 0 is my hard disk actually, and I have only one partition, if you could see here. So I have only one partition, local disk C, which is the system drive. So the same you could see here, C drive, which has 930.96 GB of space, and these two partitions are, they're just the sample partitions that I got when I purchased this new laptop. I don't know what they are for, but you can't do anything with them if you have them also, like me. So this is the system drive, and we're gonna create a new partition or a new drive from this system drive. All that you need to do is right click on your system drive. In my case it is C, and it may be different in your case, so you just got to right click and select shrink volume, and once you click on that, it just loads up, and then a window opens up like this which says shrink C. Now here you got to enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. So what it means that it wants you to enter the amount of space you want to give to your new drive, and that too in MB, not in GB. So if you don't know how to do that, you can just open the calculator app, and then you can just, if you want to give some, let's say some 100 GB, you just got to multiply 100 into 1024, and that results in 102,400. So which means that 100 GB is equal to 102,400 MB. So here I want to allocate a space of 100 GB to my new drive. So I'll enter here 102400, which in GB represents 100 GB. So once you have entered your desired amount here, you just got to click on the shrink button present here, and once you do that, it takes some time to actually shrink your C drive, and once it is done, you will see a black label like this which says unallocated space, and here you go, like I have an allocated 100 GB space now. Now what we have to do with this unallocated space is that we need to create a new disk from this unallocated space. To do that, you just got to right click on that and select new simple volume, and new simple volume wizard appears on your screen like this. You just got to click on next, and here you don't need to make any changes with this number. You keep it what it defaultly have, and click on next, and you can just give the drive letter. So I'll be giving here E. You can select any letter from this list, and anyway I'll be selecting E from this list, and don't mind these two options here, and click on next. And over here you just got to select this option which says format this volume with the following settings. That comes by default, so you need not do any changes with this option here. Anyway, you can give it a label. You can give a label to your new volume or new disk, like let me say here sample, and once you have done giving your name, just click on the next button, and finally click on the finish button. And yes, that's going to take some time, and after some time you will see your new drive. Here we go. So as you could see here, this is my new drive, 99.9 GB, that 0.1 GB. I don't know why it got less by 0.1 GB, but anyway, you have now successfully created a new drive, and in such a way you can create any number of drives as you want. You just have to right click on C drive and select shrink volume if you want to create another new drive, and you have to do the same process. You just have to repeat the same process which we have done now to create a new drive. And please keep in mind that here when it says that enter the amount of space to shrink, you need to enter the amount in MB, not in GB, so don't get confused there. And yes, that's all I wanted to teach you in this video. Like my Facebook page at facebook.com/techgarage156. Follow me on Twitter at twitter.com/techgarage156. Visit my website at techgarage156.com. You can visit my blog for written tutorials at blog.techgarage156.com. Also watch this another video of mine. Click over here to watch this. And yes, thanks for watching. Cheers.